Bring your garden up high. The magic of vertical gardening. Vertical gardening is a revolutionary way to bring nature into your home, especially if you're short on space. Imagine transforming your walls into lush, green canvases that breathe life into your living area. Vertical gardening is about growing plants upwards. This method allows you to maximize your space by utilizing vertical surfaces, making it ideal for urban environments where horizontal space is limited. It's perfect for small spaces. Whether you have a tiny balcony, a compact patio, or even just a bare wall in your apartment, vertical gardening can turn any small area into a vibrant green oasis. You can grow lots of plants even if you don't have a big garden. From herbs and vegetables to flowers and ferns, the possibilities are endless. You can create a diverse garden that suits your needs and preferences. Imagine a wall covered in lush greenery. Not only does it look stunning, but it also improves air quality and provides a calming atmosphere. Vertical gardens are like living art. They add a unique aesthetic to your home, blending the beauty of nature with the creativity of design. They make any space look fresh and inviting. The presence of greenery can transform a dull area into a lively and welcoming environment. Plus, they are easy to make. With a few simple tools and some creativity, you can start your own vertical garden project. You can use simple materials to create your own unique vertical garden. Recycled items like wooden pallets or old containers can be repurposed to build a sustainable and personalized garden. Let's get started and turn your walls into a beautiful green haven. Embrace the magic of vertical gardening and watch your space come to life. Gather your tools. What you need for your hanging oasis. Ready to make a hanging garden? First, gather your tools. This is the first step to creating your very own hanging oasis. Having the right tools and materials will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. You'll need some basic supplies. These include gardening gloves, a small trowel, and a watering can. These essentials will help you handle the plants and soil with ease. For macramé holders, get some cord or rope. Macramé is a beautiful way to display your plants, and the cords come in various colors and textures. Choose colorful ones or natural fibers. The choice of material can add a personal touch to your hanging garden, making it uniquely yours. You will also need a pair of scissors and a measuring tape. These tools are essential for cutting and measuring your cords accurately. For basket gardens, find some sturdy baskets. These baskets will hold your plants securely and can be hung in various locations around your home. Small pots will also be needed. Don't forget potting mix. The right soil is crucial for the health of your plants, providing them with the nutrients they need to thrive. For wall-mounted pots, choose your favorites. These pots can be a great way to save space and add greenery to your walls. Get some screws and a drill too. These will be necessary for securing your baskets and pots to the walls or ceiling. Now let's start creating. With all your tools and materials ready, you're all set to build your hanging oasis. Enjoy the process and watch your space transform into a green haven. Macramé magic crafting holders for your leafy friends. Macramé is an ancient art form that has found its way into modern homes, adding a touch of elegance and creativity. Macramé holders look amazing with plants. They not only serve as functional pieces but also as beautiful decor elements that can transform any space. They add a bohemian touch to your space. Imagine a cozy corner filled with lush greenery, all held up by intricate macramé designs. Start by cutting your chosen cord into equal lengths. The type of cord you choose can affect the final look and feel of your macramé holder. 4 strands are a good start. This will give you a balanced and sturdy base to work with. Fold the strands in half and make a loop at the top. This loop will be used to hang your holder, so make sure it's secure. Now, you can start tying knots. The knots are the heart of macramé, and there are various types you can experiment with. There are many easy macramé knots to learn. From the square knot to the spiral stitch, each knot adds its own unique flair. You can find tutorials online. There are countless resources available to guide you through each step of the process. Keep tying knots until you reach your desired length. The length will depend on where you plan to hang your holder and the size of the pot. Then, knot the ends together to create a secure holder for your pot. And there you have it, a beautiful macramé plant holder ready to showcase your leafy friends. Section 4. Basket Bonanza, Hanging Gardens with a Rustic Twist. Using baskets is a simple way to create a hanging garden. Choose baskets with sturdy handles. Line the bottom with plastic sheeting. This will help to protect the basket from moisture. Add a layer of pebbles for drainage, then fill the basket with potting mix. Choose plants that thrive in hanging baskets. Trailing plants like ivy or petunias look especially beautiful. Section 5. Wall-mounted wonders. Pots for a modern vertical garden. Wall-mounted pots create a sleek and modern look, perfect for any space. Use a drill to make holes in your wall for the pot hangers, ensuring they are secure. Always check that the wall can support the weight of the pots. Choose pots in different sizes and materials. Terracotta, ceramic, and metal all work well. You can plant herbs, succulents, or even small flowering plants to add color. Arrange the pots in a visually appealing way to enhance your space, and there you have it, a modern vertical garden that transforms your wall.